No, I can do it. I can do it. I just I have to focus on putting one foot in front of the other and not dropping these steaming hot mugs of hot chocolate all over myself. That was such a loud thunder. Oh my god. Oh my god, take this. Take this from me before I spill it everywhere. God, that thunder is crazy. I don't think I've been in a thunderstorm like this in a really long time. Like, not since I was a kid. No, I'm not afraid. I just, actually really like it. I love nights like this when you don't really have anything to do but cuddle up and stay dry and just ride through the storm, you know? Yeah. And, you know, good thing that I have my kettle and the stove is still working, so. Yep. Oh, great. You found another candle? That's great. Yeah, we're gonna need as many of those as we can get. Yeah, if you could light that one too, that would be great. I need more pillows on my bed. This is not enough. No, this is not enough for a regular night, much less a cozy fall thunderstorm, powers out, stuck inside night. Okay. That's good. Wow, so eventful night. Eventful day, really. I mean, the way we, like, avoided getting stuck in that storm. Yeah, that was really lucky of us. Yeah. But that walk was so nice. I'm really glad we went to the park. Yeah, no, I've been meaning to go down there, and yeah, that was like the perfect excuse to go with you and walk around and go to that cute little bakery and go to the pumpkin patch and all that stuff. So thank you for getting me out of the house. Yeah, I mean, I know I'm out of the house a lot, but I'm rarely out of the house doing like leisurely fun things, you know. Yeah, I'm usually just like at work or, I don't know, running errands, blah blah blah. Yeah, so it was a fun little date. It was a date. Yes, it was a date. Yeah, it was a date because I bought you that flower. Yeah. Where is that, by the way? Oh, cute. You put it in a vase in the kitchen? Nice. I'll have to look for it when our power comes back on. Which could be hours from now. Yeah, I mean, the storm is like really coming down. Oh, really? It's supposed to rain through tomorrow? Oh my god. Yeah, we might not have power for like a whole day. That sucks. But honestly, I'm kind of excited to just like read books and, I don't know, just not stare at my phone, not stare at a screen, you know? I mean, I'll be bitching about not having internet in about 2 hours, but just remember that, you know, I was excited at one point. Remind me of that when I start complaining. How's the hot chocolate? It was just, you know, some powdered mix that I had in the pantry. I hope it's good. Yeah, those little fake marshmallows are always so disappointing, but these actually aren't that bad. I've had worse. Yeah, I've had way worse dehydrated marshmallows, so I call it a win. Here, scoot closer. You don't have to hang off the edge of the bed. Yeah, I mean, since our power's out, we don't have a heater, so we might need to, like, cuddle for body warmth, you know? Do you have those photos we took in the pumpkin patch? Can you send them to me later? Yeah, they were really cute. I don't know. I might make it my profile picture or something. People are gonna think we're dating. Because we did the, like, romantic couple thing where, you know, you, like, take a selfie and you're, like, clinging onto each other and there's, like, a cute background. Like, they're gonna think we're soft launching. Yeah. Am I gonna correct them? That's a good question. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I will let them think that we are indeed dating. Would that make you uncomfortable? All right then. I love the ambiance in here right now. The candles and the rain. This blanket and our hot chocolate. It's like a it's like a very cozy fall vibe. Yeah. Do you like fall? What's your favorite season? Yeah, I could see that. Yeah, definitely. Fall is when I thrive. Yeah, I mean, it's just the best time. You could try to argue otherwise, but you would be wrong. It's the best time of the year. Because I say so. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. Like, today we saw the leaves changed color, and, like, I don't know, I just love, like, wearing scarves and drinking pumpkin spice lattes and shit. I know, I'm really, like, really stereotypical, but you know what? I don't care. I like it. I'm not gonna be guilty for liking something. Hey, are you okay? Well, you just got kind of quiet, and you look like, are you shivering? You cold? You're afraid of the storm? Oh, I had no idea. Oh my god, and here I am blabbering on about how fun I think it is. I'm so sorry. No, come on, it's not childish. It's not a childish fear at all. So many people are afraid of thunder. It's scary. I mean, you saw when I was walking back in here with the hot chocolate. Like, that thunder was loud. Yeah. But it can't hurt you, okay? It especially can't hurt you while I'm here. Yeah, come here. Come here. Why don't you, like, cuddle up against me? Yeah, here. You could put your head on my chest, or my shoulder, or whatever you want. Yeah. Of course, I'm sure. Come here. We are gonna stay safe and warm and dry. And the storm, it's not gonna last that long. Yeah, I mean, it might still be raining tomorrow, but the storm, the thunder, the lightning, that's gonna go away soon. Yeah. Oh, I promise. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that you were upset. Sometimes I just get talking and I should have noticed. I smell good? I'm sure I smell like a mix of pumpkin spice and hot chocolate and rain. Really? I have a distinct smell? What's it like? Vanilla? That sounds nice. Well, seriously, Just cuddle up. Just stay close, alright? I've got you. I've got you, and there is nothing that's going to hurt us tonight. No. Our building, it's not going to catch on fire. The lightning is really far away. And the thunder, I know it's loud and it's scary, but that can't hurt you either. Yeah, it's okay. You're definitely okay. Hey, look at me. Look in my eyes. I've got you. I've got you, okay? I'll stay up all night if I have to, just making sure that you're comfortable. Of course I would do that for you. We're friends. You're my roommate. I care about you. I care about your comfort and your safety. Let's keep talking. That'll help you kind of get your mind off of it. What do you think? Yeah. Why don't you tell me what's going on in your dating life right now? Yeah, your dating life. We haven't, caught up in a while. What's going on? You been talking to anybody? No? Why not? That's surprising. I just mean... you're perfect. I'm surprised you're not getting asked out, every day. I'm serious. I'm not, trying to gas you up. I'm serious. You're incredibly smart. You're successful. You're gorgeous. You're funny. You're kind. You have a really great laugh. I love your laugh so much. Is that why I'm always messing with you? Yeah, maybe. Honestly, yeah, I think you might be right. I'm always messing with you so I can hear that gorgeous laugh. Well, that's a good thing then, that you're taking time off from dating. You're just going solo, doing your thing. 'Cause that's super important too. Me? Oh, no, I'm not. Not dating right now, not talking to anybody. Although I do have kind of a major crush on someone. Yeah. Nope, I don't think she knows. Maybe she knows. Maybe she doesn't know that she knows. I haven't told her. You're right, I am very forthcoming about those things usually. I'm confident, I guess, and I like to, be the initiator, but I don't know. Something about this girl has me kinda, feeling out of my element a little bit. I really like her. And I don't want to mess up the friendship that I have with her. You have really pretty eyes. You know that? Shh, it's okay. It's okay. I know, that was a loud one. Come here. Let me just wrap my arms around you. It's okay. I've got you. I'll ask her out one day. I might have to build up a little more confidence first. I think she likes me, but I'm not positive. Wow, that was a compliment. I'm hard not to like. That's sweet of you. Yeah, I guess, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what she thinks of me, really, but, I have a good feeling. Are you comfy like that? Do you wanna... Maybe you could put your head in my lap. That might be a little more comfy. Yeah, here. Put this pillow on my thighs. Lay on that. There you go, and then that way I can play with your hair. Does that feel good? Yeah. I bet that feels amazing. Yeah, just running my fingers through your hair. Just listening to the storm. Knowing that you're safe in here with me. Hey. Are you starting to fall asleep on me? That's fine, you should go to sleep. Just when you wake up, the storm will be over and we'll probably have electricity again. Yeah. Just shut your eyes. I'll be right here, okay? Be right here if you need anything, alright? What's that? Yeah. I'll ask you out on a date tomorrow morning. That's a promise.